Then she looking like a zombie in her all right. Yeah, she looking like she looking for a handout.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Today is the eve of the Chinese New Year Eve, so we have half a day off from work today, but I'm heading back to the office really soon for a little while to get something installed on my laptop, and then after that I'm heading to NAFA to collect my tulip painting back. So I didn't mention or show this in any of the vlogs, but I did loan NAFA my tulip painting for them to put it on display at the NAFA gallery. It was there for over a month. They extended the period, so it was there from like mid-November to end of December. Definitely a huge achievement for me that I am very proud of. I definitely did not expect my artwork to be on display anywhere when I made the decision to be more consistent in practicing art. So yeah, I'm very happy that my teacher actually submitted my painting and NAFA accepted it. So I'm gonna collect it later on after I go back to the office, and then I'm gonna come back home, and then I'm gonna go out again to Chinatown, even though NAFA is very close to Chinatown, because we need to buy some Chinese New Year decoration. We have been procrastinating and just putting it off for like the longest time ever, and now it's already the eve of the Chinese New Year Eve and we still don't have any Chinese New Year decorations. So we need to go today, but I don't want my painting to get dirty because it's very crowded, so I'm gonna come back home first. It is exactly 10 a.m. and my appointment is at 10:30, so I need to pack my bag and leave the house right now. So I'll see you guys when I'm outside.
Wanna know you, 너가 자꾸만 더 wanna love you. 정리가 안 돼, 하루 종일 내 머릿속 babe. Every day, every night, 자꾸만 더 wanna know you. 설명이 안 되네 맘 신경 쓰여. Every day, every night, 자꾸만 treat you.
Back home from the gym, and now I need to prepare our reunion dinner. It's just gonna be the two of us this year because everyone have plans that we don't want to participate, so it's just us this year.
Like somebody, not like anybody. Cause you can let somebody. You're like a melody in my head 온종일 멈추지 않는 loop. You got something special. You are something special. 생각해 너에 대해서 난 맨날 알고 싶어 너의 마음 웃었는 말 아무 이유 없는 전화도 지금 이른 걸까 사실은 당신이야 전부 서투른
요즘 자꾸만 더 wanna know you. 너가 자꾸만 더 wanna love you. 정리가 안 돼, 하루 종일 내 머릿속 babe. Every day, every night, 자꾸만
더 wanna know you. 설명이 안 돼 내 맘 신경 쓰여. Every day, every night, 자꾸만 1, 2 조금 더 close to you 가까이 피곤한 손의 옆자리 Promise you I'm what you need With you 매일이 매길 수 없는 가치 I just wanna hold you tight Baby I'ma treat you right Just let me hold you tight Baby can I call you mine